Castelmezzano, Potenza, Italy, January 12, 2025. In Castelmezzano, no one is holding back. Even the mayor, Mimmo Cavuoti, is shoveling snow with the others and, rolling up his sleeves, says, "In an emergency, you can't wait. Even a minute can be fatal." And he continued, "All of us, fellow citizens, are part of one big family, and for this reason we are united, especially in times of need."
Buon pomeriggio a tutti da
And in the hinterland of Potenza, in the heart of the Lucanian Dolomites, not only is the snow shoveled, but many also take action towards those in need. Bringing basic necessities or even medicines, or oxygen for the most urgent cases. In fact, many people live alone or who, due to a certain age, need someone who can lend a hand of solidarity. A lot of snow fell 1 meter in the city center and 3 meters in the countryside, in one of the most beautiful cities in Italy, made even more spectacular by its white landscapes, which is now known all over the world, thanks to its charm.
Continua a nevicare, ormai abbiamo toccato
indica Y10 4x4, avanti ancora un'altra banda 4x4.
i 35-40 cm di neve qui a 800 metri.
The entire sector of the municipal administration, from the mayor, the young councillors, the city councillors, to the employees, did not feel at home warm in front of the fireplace, but faced the problems with a punctual and constant presence. 360-degree emergency management with snowplows and agricultural vehicles to keep the internal roads and communication roads in Basentana always clear. The latter has always been possible thanks to the constant collaboration of the operators of the province of Potenza, very well coordinated by the traffic councillor Veluzzi.
Però sta nevicando. Nelle prossime ore continuerà a nevicare.
And all with our own strength, Cavuoti continues, without asking for external support or the intervention of the army. In fact, the only real help came to us, from the provincial bodies, and we express our sincere gratitude for their valuable availability. We have organized, and will continue to organize, since the weather forecast indicates another wave of snow and ice, the municipality always open, so that every citizen has a point of reference for every need. There is a lot of talk today about institutional reforms, but many forget that the only interlocutor for citizens is the municipality, the mayor, the councillors or the city council, with whom they can dialogue directly and ask for support, if necessary.
Qua c'è la fila per salire al lago, davanti c'ho.
Guardate che spettacolo.
Che sta a mangiare?